Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ideaelectro.com. Today I am exploring Capcut, a fantastic video editing app in iPhone that's quickly becoming a favorite among iPhone users looking to create amazing video. Let's jump right into how you can speed up your video using Capcut. First, tap the Capcut app, then select the new project. It will bring you in your gallery. So I'm selecting this 22-second video. Once select, add it. Now the video is added. Now just press in time frame. The speedometer is highlighted. Press in speedometer. You have option normal, curve, velocity, effect. For now, I'm just speed up in normal way. So I'm pressing normal. Now you see option 1x, 2x, 5x, 10x, 100x. For now, I'm just changing it's in 5x. After speed done, just press tick. And if you like to change the resolution, you can choose from here. If you feel it's okay, just ignore it and export. Once exporting the video, you have option to share in TikTok directly or in other social platform. For now, I'm saving in my device, so I'm pressing other. Then I'm saving video in my device. Now it's done. Let's see. So I'm going in my gallery. The previous video is 22 seconds. Now it's already speed up in 6 seconds. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel ideaelectro.com for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.